Hey everyone, Weston Summers here, and today we're going to take a break from doing all the cool gun videos, and we're going to do a video on a fire starter. Now I've got every type of fire starter known to man, from waterproof matches to just flint and steel and char cloth, but this is just a really cool magnesium flint and steel fire starter that I have recently picked up and was given to me. This is made and manufactured by Montana Antler Craft, and it's made out of naturally shed antlers. It's got a synthetic leather thong, or whatever you want to call it, piece of string on it. It's got a steel striker. It has a high grade of magnesium and your ferrocium rod up here, or what you strike. Now, what makes this a little different than the ones you find at the store that are square is that this magnesium seems to be a little bit higher grade, and actually the steel seems to be a little bit higher grade. They seem to work very easy and even make beginners do easy. I taught my sister how to do it in a matter of seconds, where the other ones were going to take some time. And just to show how easy it is, this is your steel. It can be sharpened. They allow you to sharpen it here. It's got 4 edges on it, and just if I barely scrub it with 2 fingers, it will just emit a shower of sparks all over the thing. I'm not even putting any pressure on it, and it's sparking. To show how easy it is, everybody uses a cotton ball. It's just a standard cotton ball. I'll show you sparking it there. 1 spark, and it's going. Just so everybody doesn't think it was a camera trick, we'll knock that out of the way, and we'll do it again here. There's another piece of cotton, and just give her 1 strike, and she's up and burning. Now, those don't get very hot. They're great to carry in your kit, but the good thing about having something besides just a steel or just a match with the magnesium is that you actually have a second of fuel. So, I left this side shiny where I've been scraping so you can see what it looks like when you get done, and this side I left naturally oxidized so that you could see the bond between the steel and the magnesium. You can tell it's not going to come apart. There's not even a ridge there for my finger to catch on. So you can tell it's not going to come apart. Good quality craftsmanship. They're made here in the United States, and here's how she would work. You lay her down using your same striker, if you wanted to sharpen it, and you would take it and make long strokes to knock off a good pile of magnesium shavings. Now, they would recommend up to a quarter-sized amount, but since it makes a mess inside, I'm just going to do a small amount of shavings here, being sure to keep it even where it looks like. Now, that was just a couple seconds, and you can see it's very shiny, but I still left it round a little bit. Alright, so then we use our striker, and we would corral everything into a ball here. This little leather thong seems to come untangled a little bit. That's the only thing on it I would say is a little cheap. If you're really going to be serious with it, I would say replace it with a piece of paracord or something like that. But nevertheless, it works just fine for what it is. And here is our little pile of magnesium. If you want to see what they look like little curly things. And they shoot black stuff all over, but I'm going to show you how hot they burn and how high quality the magnesium is. So here we go. And there she goes, and you can see all the black stuff falling into the room now, so I'll vacuum that up. But if you're thinking about getting a cool fire starter to throw in your pack, they make these all the way down from keychain size, which are about that long, all the way up to as big around as a D-cell flashlight, like a mag light, claimed to start 100,000 fires or so. Good company, Montana Antler Craft. I'll put a link in the bottom where you can purchase them, because I think it's just something really cool and something you shouldn't leave the house without. I'm always throwing this in my pocket or throwing something else in my pocket if we were ever to get lost somewhere. So once again, thank you all for watching. I hope this helped you out. If you need any tips or any help on getting yours going, just shoot me a message or leave me a comment, and I'll see what I can do to help you out. Thank y'all very much, and y'all have a great day.